Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from TechMag. So previously I made a video about how you can mirror your Android phone into your computer and have all of its functionalities within your laptop or your PC. And in this video I'm going to teach you how you can turn your Android phone into a webcam, and this webcam would actually be a webcam driver, and it's going to be useful in Google Meet, in OBS Studio for streaming or anything that you want. So the software that I'm going to use is actually open source. It has no subscription, unlike DroidCam. So bear with me, I'm going to teach you how you can start it and use it on your phone and your computer. And it supports Linux and Windows. But for phones, it only supports Android phones because it requires some application to be installed. And I'm going to talk about all of this in the video. So let's go. So as I mentioned before, the project that I'm going to talk about is called Nexora. It is on GitHub. I'm going to put the link of this project in the description of the video so you can use it. The project is called Nexora. If you search it on Google, a lot of other Nexoras are going to come up, and you're going to lose this, and it's really difficult to find. And it is a very complete project. It has an APK file for installing on your Android phone. So you need two kind of installations, one on your computer and another one on your phone, and then you are going to be able to use your Android phone as a webcam device, actual webcam device. So it's not just a mirror of your camera, it's actually a driver, a webcam driver, which gets installed on your device. And then you can use it over USB cable or wireless. So it supports both wireless and USB cable. You can see all the documentation here and everything that you needed. So one of the requirements for this project is Camera2 API and media codec. So this Camera2 API started releasing in Android phones after 2016 and 17. So if you have a phone which is very old, it's probably not going to work on it. But if you have a phone from the last I don't know, 4 or 5 years, it's probably going to work and it's going to be okay. So as you can see, the steps for this tutorial are pretty much easy. So you just have to extract it, install an application, start the application, and install the APK file, and it's going to work out of the box. And it's the same for Linux, just the installation file is going to be different. So before we do anything in our computer, we have to enable USB debugging on our Android phone. So if you know how to do it, go ahead and do it. And if you don't, I'm just going to teach you very fast and very quickly on how you can do it. So in order to enable USB debugging on your Android phone, you have to go to a place where it shows the version of your Android and the storage and some information about your phone. Then you need to click on some version. So for Xiaomi devices, it's OS version. So if you tap it multiple times, it says no need, you are already a developer, because I already enabled it. Then you got to go back to the settings of your phone and find a menu called developer options, which in Xiaomi devices, it's in additional settings. You scroll a bit and then developer options. So once you're in developer options sections, you need to make sure that USB debugging is enabled. I'm going to enable it now. Just to make sure, you can also enable wireless debugging. So it's disabled right now. I'm just going to enable it. It's going to bring the same thing. I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to give access to my phone from my own computer. So once you enable USB debugging on your phone, we're going to move to computer and download the project. So in order to download the project, we go to the releases page. So if you're on Linux, you got to download one of these. And since I'm on Windows right now, I'm going to download this. So I've already downloaded it and extracted the project. Once you extract the project, it's going to look something like this. It's very, it has a lot of files and the project is big. But don't panic, we just need 3 files here. So if you check the tutorial itself, it says on Windows, it says extract the Nexora zip to a permanent folder. Open install.bat as administrator to register the virtual camera. So we're gonna do the same thing. Where is install.bat? It's right here. We're gonna open it as administrator. Give it access. So this tries to install our webcam device as an actual webcam driver to our Windows. So when we are trying to, I don't know, join a call on Google Meet or, I don't know, use Zoom, it's going to recognize our phone as a webcam device. So in step 3, it says start Nexora and allow it through Windows Firewall when prompted. So this Windows Firewall thing might not appear for you. It depends on the settings of your Windows device. So I'm going to head over and start Nexora. So this is the environment of the Nexora app. So far, there's no devices detected because I have to install the APK of Nexora on my device. So as you can see on the 4th step, it says install the Android application with install APK bash file. This is for Linux, and for Windows it's batch file actually. So it's here, install APK. I'm gonna run it as administrator just to make sure. As you can see in my phone, it says install Nexora via USB. I'm gonna remember my choice and hit install. So once I hit install, I can see the Nexora icon app in my phone. So I'm gonna open Nexora. I gave it camera access, and I'm gonna click on QR code here. Scan the QR code, it says connect. I'm gonna hit connect. And as you can see, my device is added here. So as you can see, this is the quality of the webcam. As you can see, the quality is so low, so we have to change it in the device, in our application settings. So to do that, we go to this stream settings. And as you can see, the resolution is so low, so we're gonna maybe upgrade it to full HD and frame rate maybe 60 FPS. You can also change the codec to H.265, and it disconnected. I'm gonna connect it again with QR code, scan, and hit connect. I'm hoping it's gonna work. It says it's online. Yeah, it's working right now. The camera screen is much better right now. And there are some settings in the application which you can turn the orientation of your phone. As you can see, I changed it to first person. Then I have to rotate my screen. I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah, there are some problems with it. It's gonna stretch your face. So maybe another way to do it is to look at it like that, and then maybe you rotate it again to left 2 times. You have to tweak it a bit. For some phones it's not gonna work, for some phones it's gonna work, and you need to change the resolution and find the best one, the best quality, based on the quality of your cable and the quality of your connection. Actually, I'm running on Wi-Fi mode, so this is going through my Wi-Fi router, but you can also use a phone cable. Sometimes phone cable connection is not very stable with this application, so I recommend Wi-Fi if you want to have a stable connection. I don't know why, usually wired connection is better in applications like this, but in order to get better quality, you can decrease it to 30 FPS or 24 FPS, because that's good enough for a video call or a stream, and then improve your resolution, maybe, I don't know, and see how it works. So just to show you how it works in Google Meet, I started a session, and here you're going to choose your camera, and the name is Direct Show Soft Cam. So once you click on Soft Cam and turn on the camera, as you can see, I can see the video of myself. It has some delay and the resolution might not be the best one, but if you have your camera steady and you don't move a lot, maybe the quality would be better. Although I'm using it on full HD, maybe I can decrease it to maybe HD. It would be better. It would have maybe it would be less blurry, but that's the whole thing. You can turn your camera. It's good enough for PC users. Oh, okay, the quality is not so good here. I'm just gonna stop it. So this was the whole tutorial, and as you can see, the setting it up wasn't difficult at all, but the quality was not the best. The project is open source. You can contribute to the project if there's any bug, it doesn't support your phone or something. You can see the logs, and you can make changes and give pull requests. The project is not mine, but the developer has done a good job. You can support them. The project is free and has no subscription, so it's worth supporting the developer. So I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, if you face any problems, make sure to put it in the comment section and I will reply to you as soon as possible. I will see you in the next video.